Hello my dear friends, this is PaintyKat. My name is Catherine. Today I want to introduce a tutorial where we're painting a landscape. It's kinda simple and a small painting, but same time it's just enough to practice all main techniques and even on this small size of the canvas possible to create very beautiful landscape. I think it's a good idea to add birds also. This detail not that simple, so in a real-time tutorial I'll demonstrate to you how to use traceable in a moment when landscape already done, so we can dry it, we can transfer only those details we need. I think we need just a silhouette of the birds and we can paint them really detailed and accurate. Here it's just a short demonstration version of the tutorial, and here you can see all main steps that waiting for you in a real-time version available on Patreon in my creative club, and also maybe with time it will be opened on Udemy as well. So what we're doing here, first of all, it's a first layer with water and white. It's very simple step, but same time the whole painting result depends on it, because amount of water helping to you to control how long your acrylic paints will be available for soft blending. If you will add more water, of course you will have more time. If you're painting really slow, it's a good idea to use acrylic retarder, because this special medium giving you a lot of extra time. But for small paintings, trust me, water is all what we need. Second thing here, it's volume of white acrylic you're adding, because more you will add, more soft and pastel colors you'll get in the end. Less white acrylic you will add, more saturated and dark landscape you will get in the end. For this tutorial, for this painting, I'm looking for very soft and pastel look, so that's why I have a lot of white on a first layer, and also mixing a little bit of extra white in those colors I'm using for gradient. Gradient here, very interesting. It's actually one of my favorites, because we're going from the lemon yellow to the medium yellow, then to the orange, pink and light lilac color. It's very fresh, it's looking, you know, it's looking simple but still elegant. Maybe that's why I like it so much. Of course, landscapes, sunsets with blue, cobalt blue can look beautiful as well. You know, it's just a question of the mood. If you really want to paint something gentle, I think this tutorial, this scenery is for you. Next interesting thing here, it's a silhouette. Usually a lot of paintings with silhouettes using black for shapes of tree, birds and all other objects and details here. But if you wanna create light, shiny landscape, it's a good idea to bring gradient to the silhouettes as well. And here we can play around amount of white acrylic we're adding there, and also what colors we're using in the gradient. Look, in the center close to the sun, they looking more orange, sometimes even brown, right? But if we're going up and painting on top of the lilac part of the sky, color of the silhouette, trees, they changing as well. They became more violet also. This is a demo, so if you're looking for detailed comments about the whole process, what colors we're mixing, techniques we're using, brushes I use and recommend, please follow real-time tutorial. It's still kind of short, going for 1 hour and 5 minutes, and all links I will add in the description box. Thank you for joining me today, and thank you for watching. my painting done. Hopefully you saw birds are really optional here, painting this landscape looking beautiful without them. Also, I just hope you will find some inspirational ideas for your own landscapes and paintings. If you like to paint this landscape with me, follow links in the description and join my creative club. If you like to paint and looking for new ideas, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't miss my new tutorials. Thank you very much for joining me today and for your support. It was PaintyKat. I'll catch you later. Bye bye.